Right, wow! Woo! Okay! Good afternoon, everybody. And today I will show use the useful tip about the free energy water tank or water drum. So you can see the both blue drum, metal drum. This I will use to install and to suck the water from the deep river to pure my farm over there. Okay, then I will show you now. Okay, start. I will take that. You can see the wooden stock with wooden stand. I will take the middle metal drum to stand it on. The second stand with the double. I use a double drum today. Double drum. Okay. Done. And then I will take the other pie with the output pie, input pie to install it. Double wire here that I assemble or install it at home already. So now I start to set up, connect with already. Okay, now I start to connect it by using the glue. Yeah. And then this. For the second valve, insert it and then hammer it. Done. And close. Okay. The same. The input pie, input valve here. I assemble or made at home already. So now I just pan the screws or use the glue to connect it. Okay, first, and now you can see like this. Okay, I use the glue and make sure no any leaking air or water during the process or procedure. Okay, one. Next. We take the pie to connect it. Input pie. Input pie use the 34 millimeter plastic pie. Okay, and then input pie, the same. We just input pie. We use the both. We use two input pie. Okay, then now I install the input pie, both input pie already, and then I will take the mix pie, also the output pie to install it. Go. Okay, then now I take on the valve with the triangle here to install or to set up the output pie. Output pie usually we use the bigger, right? Bigger than the input pie with the 60 millimeter here. Also, just input we use the double pie, but output we just use one pie. Okay, then now start to. First, yeah. Okay, now I set up almost at all. Right, with input pi, output pi, double wide back side in front with output pi here. So I will take the other pi to connect it here. And now it's already. Oh. Okay, done. Right now, I go to check it, and then I will fill water into this drum. Okay, go. Oh, it's so high. Now, okay. Then now I set up. You can see like this already. I will fill water into this drum using the basket. Take the basket. Now I took the basket already, and I will take water from the river to fill in this one. Right? Okay, you can see all the boats of the valve is open already. Okay, and I take the water from the river. Oh, full. Okay, I take it. Fill water. It's enough full both drum here, and then I will close on the valve. Start from the back side. Valve here, and valve here. This is strong. Okay, and valve here, and valve here. Oh, right now you can see all close. So it's enough. Start to open the main valve here. Oh, flowing sound here, and just use one air pressure here. Okay, then I'll go to open the end of the output pipe. How does it work? Okay, then I got already here. Okay, go. How does it work? I will start to open here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow! So strong! Wonderful, wonderful! Wow! So good, like wow! Wow! Okay! It's good, it's strong, right? But I usually told all of you already, for the first time it's so strong like this. But if we leave it around 20 minutes, it will quicker and quicker. Because the first time it's strong like this. Wow! Sense is so strong, right? Woo! Wow! It's good for it's good non-stop. It's good for my farm. So right now I will go to see how does it work here. Okay, go. Oh, you can see. Wow, it's dropping sound in this drum because it suck the water from the Dix River in front on the boat side. So it's enough for me today, and I will check. It's already good, right? So last, I want to say thank you so much for all of you that you see my explanation, my installation of this project. So okay, hope to see all of you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.